Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef lentil soup. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring you have everything ready for a delicious meal. Then, we'll walk through the straightforward cooking process, step by step, making it easy for anyone to follow along. Finally, I'll share some fantastic tips to elevate your soup's flavor and texture, ensuring a truly satisfying dish every time. To begin, you'll need 1 pound of lean ground beef, which forms the hearty base of our soup. Make sure to have 1 cup of brown or green lentils, thoroughly rinsed, as they add wonderful texture and protein. For the aromatic vegetables, chop 2 medium carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 large onion. Finally, ensure you have 8 cups of low-sodium beef broth, providing a rich and flavorful liquid for our delicious soup. First, brown your ground beef in a large pot over medium heat, breaking it apart as it cooks. Once brown, drain any excess fat. Next, add your chopped carrots, celery, and onion to the pot, cooking them until they become wonderfully softened, about 5 to 7 minutes. Then stir in the rinsed lentils, 8 cups of beef broth, and your preferred seasonings. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 45 minutes to 1 hour until the lentils are tender. Once your soup has simmered, taste and adjust the seasonings with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your favorite dried herbs. For an extra layer of brightness, consider adding a small splash of red wine vinegar just before serving. This soup is best enjoyed hot, perhaps with a generous slice of crusty bread for dipping. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making it perfect for meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.